Hi everyone, it's Granny, and this evening we are going to be playing with a Melissa and Doug Disney wooden slice and bake cookie set. It comes with your slice and bake cookie dough, which makes 6 wooden cookies. See, there's Donald and Mickey and Goofy. He's actually eating one. It comes with a little play knife, spatula, and a cookie tray. Okay, and when you open up your cookie dough set, you have, and actually it's Velcro. It makes 6 cookies. Okay, and it's wooden. It's got a little piece of Velcro on there, which you can sit on your cookie sheet, like so. So you just put them on the pan like so. And then each cookie, you can actually, this is icing with different little characters on there. This one has Pluto. And you can just fix that to the top of the cookie. And this one has Goofy. And there's Miss Daisy. And then we have Minnie, the beautiful pink bow on her head. Mickey Mouse. And then Donald Duck. And there are your cookies. And what Layla likes to do is she puts them in her kitchen oven and she bakes them. And then you can actually lift them up, use your spatula to get them off of the pan. And now you have 6 really cute Disney cookies to share and enjoy with your friends. We'll see you next time.